Missing woman found dead in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have identified a woman whose partially decomposing body was found on Bethel Street, Greenville, Manchester on Tuesday. She has been identified as 45-year-old Paula Saunders of Top Greenville, Manchester. Her neighbors told reporters that she had been missing since Monday. Her body was found in a remote section of Bethel town covered with pieces of log. The police have stated that Miss Sanders' hands and feet were bound. Residents believe that her killer had intended to burn her body. The scene was processed by the police and her body removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. When reporters visited the community on Wednesday morning, residents claimed that a man from the area was arrested in connection with the woman's death. Efforts to contact head of the Manchester Police Superintendent Lloyd Darby were futile and calls and messages went unanswered to his cell phone up to the publication of this report. Links 007 TV will have a follow-up news to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.